Oh, hi guys, I didn't see you there. How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For you that are new, today we got a little something new, a little different. As you guys see on the title, we're going to be reviewing the new Nyjah Edition 2 shoes. So stay tuned. Alright guys, like I mentioned, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a little review on the new Nyjahs. Just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored by Nike, Nyjah, or StockX, which is the place where I got them, just so you guys know. I always recommend the best quality, the best prices, and the best customer service. Just like for my car parts, and also for my shoes, clothing, I always do. So this one's definitely hands down, you know, always recommended. This StockX decal. This one actually came with a little StockX tag that comes on the shoes. StockX usually verifies the shoes for you, see if they're, you know, I guess you can say they're legit, they're original. It's actually my first time buying from them. As you guys know, my son was born July 31st, just when the shoes came out, and they were sold out after 2 days. So I was like very pumped up about that. It took about 2 weeks for it to get back in stock, at least the size that I am. I'm size 10. And then I think I put the phone down for 30 minutes until I parked, took the phone out, and then I was gonna buy them, and they were out of stock. So I don't know for how long before that, 30 minutes, maybe it was the last pair, but they were out of stock everywhere. So I was very bummed about that. I waited for like about another month, I believe, and then I found them on StockX, which is actually my first time I'm actually using them. But I mean, so far the customer service was good. You know, they answered me any questions I had. The shoes are definitely something else. It's a little bit dirty today. It was raining. They're definitely something else, guys. Just the black and white and red. This pretty much matches my car. You know, kind of like the tail lights, the black hood, and the white hood my car is. You know. It has a reflected ones over here, the nice mesh, real nice. They're real comfortable just to walk. You know, I walked today pretty much because I was doing my rehearsal for my wedding today, so I was walking around pretty much everywhere, even for driving. So it's a daily use. I'm not a skateboarder. I mean, I was like probably back in the days when I was like, well, like 10 years, like 14, 15 years ago, I think it was. Yeah, probably like 14, 15 years ago, but not anymore. But just for daily use, just for walk. I mean, they look so clean. The design is so clean. It's just, they're amazing. It catches everybody's eyes just by looking at it. Just because the little details and how detailed and how I don't want to say extravagant, but just how the style is. You know, you got the nice Nyjah right here tag. Obviously the version 2, the Nike SB over here. Even the bottom part is just clean. You know, the nice logo, the nice Nike red. In general, the shoes are very nice. Even the even how the shoelaces are made and everything. I don't know if you guys can see the reflective. Bro, you turn the flashlight on that. There you go. I don't know if you guys, does it show the reflective lines that are under the mesh? No.
Yeah.
Crazy?
They do actually. What the heck?
So he didn't even know that. But yeah. So they're really nice. I mean, I don't know how about skateboarding, though. I have seen some videos. I mean, even Nyjah did a video with them, and they're just super clean. Huge shout out to them, because for me to buy shoes, it has to be something that I really like. I stick with classics, classic Nikes, classic Adidas, you know. But these ones were just like a must-have for me. It took me a while just because they were out of stock the 2 times I went. The third time I was actually gonna buy it, not buy it, buy it, not buy it. But you know what? I said, you know what? I sent it and I just pressed it and I bought them, and here they are. StockX actually delivered them sooner than expected. Actually, I think it said it was gonna take about 3 weeks. It actually took about a week and a half. It took, yeah, they came in nice and packed too. And they didn't just come in the Nike box, they came in a lot of box. Real nice and wrapped, so I mean, it was really clean. But just in general, it's a must-have shoes, guys, like for daily. I mean, just the way that I dress, urban style, like these ones are just so clean. So, you probably see me doing videos in these shoes now. I'm gonna clean them up real nice and clean just to keep them nice. I'm gonna put them on the box with the StockX logo so you can always remember. There's a lot of things about StockX. People were doing reviews, see if they were actually real, not real. I mean, the shoes are legit, are original. Like I said before, the boxing, everything. I checked every little detail. They are. A lot of people had a lot of doubts on the StockX situation because I've seen a lot of reviews like, oh, they're fake, oh, they're not. I mean, they came good, you know. What I do have to mention, and is they were a little bit overpriced. Not as much, but I mean, dude, I mean, if you want your shoes, you have to spend, you know what I mean? I should have bought them, I should have pre-ordered them. I don't know if they had a pre-order, honestly. But at least when I saw them that day, the second time that I was actually just, you know, surfing through internet, I should have just bought them there, but it is what it is. They were just a little bit overpriced, maybe like around, I think maybe 40, 50 bucks. I think it was like 40, 50 bucks. But nobody else had them. Nobody else had my size, so I was like, you know what, I just have to go for them. They came really fast. They checked everything for me, so StockX ain't that bad. It is legit. It is a legitimate business, so you know. I don't know. Should I put this in the car? What do you think, bro?
Probably.
I don't know, man. I mean, I like the green, but won't match the car, but I guess we can see. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions on the new Nyjahs, we are gonna be doing videos on them. I do like every other person, I'm pretty sure, out there. The first couple days, weeks, you know, really do take care of them. I'm trying to keep them clean. It's raining right now, so I'm probably gonna put them away just because it has the mesh. I don't know if the water goes through them. I don't want to run that risk. I hate getting my shoes wet. I really hate that, especially when they're white. For me, white has to be white, black has to be black. So I can't just be, you know, getting them dirty and then next, you know, I'm running on brown shoes. No. Anyways, guys, if you guys got any questions, once again, just comment down below. Message me on my Instagram. You guys already know how to find me, how to message me. Thank you guys for all the subscribers. I haven't done an official video. We have passed the 1K subscribers, the 1,000, the milestone. I do appreciate that, guys. Big shout out to all of you guys. I haven't done an official video on that. Today's actually the 7th. My wedding is tomorrow, fam. I'm probably gonna be doing, if I have the time and the energy, and I guess if I can split in 2 persons, I could probably record myself in my wedding. But I might have a little something, I guess you can say behind the scenes. I guess I can do that. But yeah, I decided to do this video just for you guys. You know, like I always say, I always recommend the best. For me, it's like the 3 main things: the great prices, great customer service, and the great quality. This is a must-have, guys. We'll be gone. I'm probably gonna upload this video the day of, so today is the 8th. I will be uploading them. Yeah, I'll probably have time to edit them and upload them. I'm gonna upload like 3-4 videos today, guys, for the YouTube channel, because I am gonna be gone at least for the next, I want to say almost 3 weeks. But you know, you guys know you can always find me on Instagram. I'll try to message you back and be leaving to my honeymoon. So anyways, guys, I know it's yeah, baby moon, because my baby is coming with us. I know it's too much oversharing, guys. I'm just letting you guys know the reason why I'll be gone from YouTube for a while. But you know, I'll be doing some content. Like I still got 3 more videos that I haven't done. I didn't have the time to do them, guys, but I will be uploading them hopefully by the last week of November or the first week of December, guys. And we do have some collaborations coming in too, so stay tuned for that, guys. Once again, thank you guys for, you know, sharing my videos, for commenting, for liking, and for subscribing, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm still on the 97% now, not 98, 97% of people not being subscribed. But it's all good, guys. Hit the subscribe button down below. Takes 1 second. You guys already subscribed. Just follow my process and my progress and every little details that I have to show you guys and share with all you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like always, it's not just about the car.
What car? Okay.
It's not just about the shoes. So stay sexy. Until next time.